Hi, it's Mr. Bennett here. Now we're going to be looking at some special log laws. So you may get questions where you get something like log of A plus log of B. When we do that, there's a special rule which we go simply that's equal to log of A times by B. So it's log of AB. So that's our first rule. The second rule that we've got is we might have log of A take log of B. Then our rule there is not similar to lots of indices ones, so it's going to be log of A on B. That's going to simplify things for us. And the third law that we're going to have is log of A to the power of X. That's going to be equal to X log A. Now if we use these laws, then we're going to be able to simplify things quite well when we have some questions posed to us. So I've come down here, exercise 2D1, got some questions there we can have a go at doing. All right, so if I got something like log of 10 take log of 5, then I can write that as simply equal to log of 10 on 5, which we can write as equal to log of 2. Now that, if I was wanting to simplify that, I can go to my calculator and I could calculate that. All right, let's look at a couple of the examples up here for us to do there. All right, so if I do, say F, I've got log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 4. All right, so let's do that one there. I've got log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 4. So now what I would do is simply combine these two. Now the rule is that log plus we times together. So that's going to be log of 2 times log of 3 plus log of 4. So that's going to be equal to log of 2 times 3 is 6 times by 4. Using that rule again. And so therefore we can say that's equal to log of 24. And that's my final answer. All right, so it makes it quite simple to simplify things if we're using those first two rules. All right, so now what happens if you get something like, say, K, I reckon. So I've got log of 40 take 2. So K, we've got log of 40, it's log of 40 take 2. Now I can, if I want to, if I understand the powers of 10, so what I could do is go log of 40, that's take log of 10 to the power of 2. All right, so that's equal to log of 40 take log of, now 10 to the power of 2 is going to be 100. So I can simplify this, if I want to simplify this to one log expression, of log of 40 over 100. Now cancel that down, and that's going to give you, now obviously 4 goes into 10 evenly as well, so that's going to be log of 2/5, and that's my final answer there. Right, so that's just playing around with some algebra with that. The next thing I can do is, using the example here in number 2, is I want to write this as a single logarithm. All right, so there's a few things I can do there to make that work. So I'm going to use the law for most of these ones here is log of A to the X, all right, is equal to X log A. All right, so I need to use that law there in order to solve some of these ones here. So let's come down and let's do a couple. All right, we'll have to insert some more page. All right. All right, so let's do a couple. I'll just change the colour because I'm sick of red. Right, so if I had something like 2 log of 3 plus 4 log of 2, then what I do is I simply write this as 2 log, oh, actually get rid of that, otherwise I'm just writing the same thing. So if I write that as log of 3 to the power of 2 plus log of 2 to the power of 4, then what I can do is I can write that as log of, now 3 squared is going to be 9, plus now 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Okay, so I can write that as log of 16. Now, when we're combining things, our other log law, when we're adding them, we have to times the two things together. So that's log of 9 times by 16, which is going to be log of, now 9 times 10 is 90, 9 times 6 is 54, so that's going to be 144 is my answer. Okay, so combining those two things there is a really nice way of using those laws to simplify something. Let's do H. Okay, 1 take 3 log of 2 plus log of 20. H, 1 take 3 log 2 plus log of 20. Again, I have to use my little trick here. Log of 1 is simply going to be log of 10 to the power of 1. Now 3 log of 2 is going to be log of 2 to the power of 3 plus log of 20. Alright, so therefore I know that's going to be log of 10 take log of 8. I can take some short steps if I can, but let's just write this out the first time. So I can write that as simply log of 10 over 8 plus log of 20, and so therefore that's going to be log of 10 over 8 times by 20, combining that. Alright, so we know 8 goes into there, that's going to be 4, sorry, that's going to be 2, 4 goes into both of those, so if we go, and that's going to be 2, that's going to be 5, so it's 50 over 2, which is going to be log of 25. Alright, we'll leave the video there. Have a go at some questions. If you need some help, make sure you sing out.